Pumpkin spice hype, how it's in everything from cereal to mac and cheese. Hello and welcome to Crazy Food History, where we explore the world of food and drink. There is no denying that pumpkin spice has taken the world by storm. Once a humble flavor associated with pumpkin pie and spice lattes, it has now become a cultural phenomenon that transcends its traditional boundaries. From breakfast cereals to mac and cheese, the pumpkin spice hype has infiltrated almost every food product imaginable. In this video, we'll delve into the origins of pumpkin spice, explore its meteoric rise in popularity, examine the factors contributing to its widespread appeal, and discuss the future of this seasonal sensation. The roots of pumpkin spice can be traced back to traditional autumnal flavors, particularly those associated with Thanksgiving and Halloween. The individual components of the pumpkin spice blend have rich histories and cultural significance, deeply rooted in culinary practices from around the world. Cinnamon, one of the core ingredients of pumpkin spice, has been treasured for its warm, sweet, and slightly wooden flavor for thousands of years. It has a storied past dating back to ancient Egypt, where it was highly valued and used in embalming rituals. Cinnamon quickly spread throughout the world, becoming a coveted spice during the spice trade era. Its association with autumnal flavors and comfort foods has made it a quintessential component of the pumpkin spice blend. Nutmeg, with its distinctive warm and nutty flavor, originated from the Banda Islands in Indonesia and has been used for centuries in both sweet and savory dishes. This versatile spice became particularly popular during the Middle Ages when it was believed to have medicinal properties. Nutmeg's inclusion in pumpkin spice adds depth and complexity to the blend. Ginger, known for its slightly peppery and pungent taste, has a long history of culinary use in various cultures. It was highly valued in ancient China and India and gradually spread to other regions. Ginger has been revered for its medicinal properties, particularly its ability to aid digestion and reduce inflammation. Its addition to pumpkin spice provides a subtle spicy kick, balancing the overall flavor profile. Allspice, despite its name, is not a blend of spices but rather a single spice derived from the dried berries of the Pimenta dioica tree. It earned its name due to its ability to resemble the combined flavors of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Allspice has been used for centuries in the Caribbean and Latin American cuisines and brings warmth and depth to the pumpkin spice blend. Cloves, with their strong, aromatic, and slightly bitter taste, have a rich history dating back to ancient China. They were highly prized and even used as currency during the Roman Empire. Cloves add complexity and a distinct spiciness to the pumpkin spice blend. While these spices have traditionally and individually held culinary significance throughout history, it was in the 2000s that the term pumpkin spice gained widespread recognition and became synonymous with autumn flavors. The combination of these spices in the pumpkin spice blend creates a harmonious symphony of flavors that captures the essence of the season and has become a beloved staple in many autumn-inspired dishes and beverages. Starbucks pumpkin spice latte, introduced in 2003, can be credited with igniting the pumpkin spice craze. The coffee giant cleverly marketed this seasonal drink, creating a sense of exclusivity and limited availability. The popularity of the pumpkin spice latte quickly spread through word of mouth and social media, sparking a demand for pumpkin spice flavored products across the board. Soon, other food and beverage companies caught on to the trend, capitalizing on consumers' love for the warm, comforting flavors of pumpkin spice. Suddenly, pumpkin spice was no longer confined to coffee shops. It began appearing in a variety of products, from cookies and candies to ice creams and pastries. As the pumpkin spice latte gained popularity, other food and beverage companies recognized the enormous potential of the pumpkin spice trend and quickly jumped on board. They began introducing their own pumpkin spice flavored products, expanding the reach of this seasonal sensation beyond the confines of coffee shops. One of the reasons behind the widespread adoption of pumpkin spice by various companies is the flavor's ability to evoke a sense of warmth and comfort. The combination of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and other spices creates a rich and aromatic profile that resonates with consumers, particularly during the fall season. The familiar and nostalgic taste of pumpkin spice taps into our fond memories of holiday gatherings and cozy autumn evenings. With the growing popularity of social media platforms, the pumpkin spice craze spread like wildfire. Users eagerly shared their love for all things pumpkin spice, posting pictures and reviews of their favorite products. Instagram became flooded with images of pumpkin spice lattes, pastries, and other treats, each more enticing than the last. TikTok, known for its viral trends, also contributed to the hype, with users creating videos showcasing creative pumpkin spice recipes and taste tests. Food companies recognize the power of user-generated content and leverage it to their advantage. They encourage customers to share their pumpkin spice experiences, using branded hashtags and social media campaigns to amplify the buzz around their products. This user-generated content not only served as free advertising, but also created a sense of community and excitement among consumers, further fueling the pumpkin spice frenzy. The limited availability of pumpkin spice products also played a significant role in driving the hype. Many companies marketed their pumpkin spice offerings as seasonal or limited edition, creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity. This strategy created must-have mentality among consumers who flocked to stores to secure their favorite pumpkin spice treats before they disappeared from shelves. The scarcity of these products added an element of excitement and anticipation, making them even more desirable. As the trend gained momentum, pumpkin spice flavors started appearing in an increasingly diverse range of products. Beyond the traditional pumpkin spice latte, consumers could find pumpkin spice cookies, cereals, ice creams, yogurts, and even savory items like mac and cheese. This versatility allowed consumers to enjoy the familiar flavors of pumpkin spice in unexpected and innovative ways. It also expanded the market for pumpkin spice products, attracting a broader audience beyond coffee enthusiasts. The success of the pumpkin spice trend prompted food companies to continue exploring new and unique applications of the flavor. Craft breweries began introducing pumpkin spice-infused beers, while mixologists crafted pumpkin spice cocktails. The culinary world embraced pumpkin spice, incorporating it into seasonal menus and experimenting with new recipes. The pumpkin spice phenomenon even extended beyond the food and beverage industry, with beauty and home fragrance products adopting the scent of pumpkin spice to evoke feelings of warmth and coziness. The popularity of pumpkin spice as a flavor blend can also be attributed to its close association with two iconic holidays, Thanksgiving and Halloween. During the Thanksgiving season, pumpkin pie traditionally takes center stage as a beloved dessert, featuring a filling rich with pumpkin puree and an array of warm spices reminiscent of pumpkin spice. The aromatic blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, allspice, and cloves creates a harmonious flavor profile, perfectly complementing the natural sweetness of the pumpkin. Similarly, during Halloween, pumpkin spice embodies the essence of autumn and serves as a symbol of seasonal festivities. From pumpkin spice lattes to baked goods and treats, the warm and comforting aroma of pumpkin spice fills the air, invoking a sense of celebration and joy. The association of pumpkin spice with these festive occasions has further cemented its place in our collective culinary consciousness. The pumpkin spice hype, with its widespread appeal and diverse applications, has captivated consumers around the world. From its humble beginnings as a seasonal latte flavor, pumpkin spice has expanded its reach to become a cultural phenomenon. The combination of seasonal nostalgia, social media influence, limited availability, and versatility has propelled pumpkin spice to new heights. While the future of this trend remains uncertain, one thing is for sure: pumpkin spice has firmly established itself as an iconic flavor that has infiltrated almost every corner of the food industry. So whether you're a die-hard pumpkin spice enthusiast or just curious to explore this flavor sensation, be sure to join the hype and indulge in the warmth and comfort that pumpkin spice brings. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing food trends and culinary adventures. And as always, stay tuned for our next exciting exploration into the world of flavors and delights.